Man, bro, your welder guy is not messing around, dude.
This guy's set. Oh.
Look at that.
I think we're getting better than our shop. What is up, guys, and welcome back to yet another M4 video. So we are finally sending the M4 2 frame, but before that we do need to make a rolling chassis. So first we got to put in the old rack and pinion. We have not gotten a new one yet, so we're gonna throw that one in just so it can be rolling. We also got all these goodies here. We got a box full of the fender liners, plastics, air boxes, everything to complete the pretty much around the engine. We do have the whole front clip for the car. I'm talking about the intercoolers, you know, everything. Yeah, pretty much everything. Reinforcement, we got the radiator and the condenser right there with the fan. We also do have the strut tower and the frame rail that is going to be changed on that. So without wasting any time, we need to send the car to frame tomorrow. Let's knock this thing out.
Few moments later.
So we finally got the frame complete. We are going to lift up the car, remove some parts, and pretty much paint the frame rail just to match just to color match it, right? After that, we're gonna start throwing everything back together, get it to run and drive, just so we can drive it to the paint shop, so we can paint the whole car. So, but we're just gonna let the professionals take care of the exterior paint. But as of right now, let's not kill any more time and get straight to work. So this is where the frame was being worked on. As you can see, this we saved. This whole area was smashed inside. The frame guy saved this part. He just changed the rail itself. He welded it where basically the old welds was. He just cut it there, welded a new rail. Saved this part, which is really good because it has that VIN number and everything over here. Yep. This is the rail that we need to paint by color, so we're gonna try to remove everything that's around it and also drop the subframe so we can also paint it underneath. I mean, you can't see that, but we want it to be done professionally and look good as well because it is a 2020 and it is also a special car. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we ended up painting the frame. Color matched really good because we did do it by paint coat. So right now we're just gonna start putting all the wires back on, all the harnesses, and then we're gonna start throwing the AC compressor, the alternator, and everything else that goes in this area. We're gonna have to start looking for all that stuff. And then the last thing is gonna probably be the radiator, the condenser, and the whole front end that's over there. Good thing we got this used complete set. It's all put together, so we don't have to look for plastic for all these clips, for bolts. This whole thing, just right after the radiators, it just slides straight on there and it's pretty much done. So yeah, let's get to it.
It.
Alright guys, so the reason why we're changing a lot of these pulleys is because some of them might be bent during the accident, and you wouldn't even notice, and it would be eating the belt away slowly. And I mean, a lot of them were damaged, a lot of them just scuffed, but like I said, they could just be bent just a little bit, you wouldn't even notice. So the engine is somewhat complete. We are missing some minor stuff. So tomorrow morning we're gonna have to make a run to BMA Auto and get those parts before we install the radiators and the intercooler and the radiator support. So we're just gonna have to catch you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright guys, so we pretty much completed the whole front end. When we were working on it, we decided we had a little chip, or actually a crack on our aluminum fender. And we don't weld aluminum, so we actually called our guy that's actually going to be doing the frame. So he's going to back up his van and pretty much just weld it. So we're going to go ahead and take it off so it can be easier for him to weld it from the back.
Man, bro, your welder guy is not messing around, dude.
This guy's set. Oh,
Look at that.
he's looking better than our shop. Alright guys, so the fender is welded, the whole front end is fully complete. Well, not fully, we still got the headlights, but we're not going to do the headlights or the bumper. That's already after the paint. So our next step is pretty much taking off the hood, taking off the fenders, the bumper, taking it to the paint shop, getting that painted, bringing it back here, throwing out the headlights, all the parts, and pretty much completing it. It's going to take us a few hours to play with the gaps, make it 100% perfect. Fender liners, throw the fluid inside, and this puppy is ready for the street, man. But let's not forget about the interior. We still got a whole bunch of work there. We gotta pull the dash, we gotta pull all the airbags, so we still got a lot of work in the interior. But for now, we're just kind of focused on the exterior. But that is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, comment, share, like. Make sure to give us a follow on our Instagram at Foreign Builds, and we will catch you guys later.